Hey everyone, and welcome to the club. In today's video, I'll be showing how to draw a Minecraft villager. Let's get started at the top of our page with the top edge of the eyebrow. So we start on the left side. We're going to draw a straight line going across from left to right. Now on the sides, we're going to come down with a straight line. So start on the left, going all the way down. And we'll do the same thing on the right, to the same height. Now let's close off the bottom. From left to right, we'll go straight across. Now we want to split the rectangle in half. So we're going to start on the left side, draw a straight line going across. Now we want to draw the inside edge of the eye coming down towards the side of the nose. So we're going to start over on the left side. We're going to start with a straight line coming down towards the tip of the nose to right about there. Go to the right, and we'll do the same thing. Now let's close off the bottom of the nose. Now we're going to split the eyes in half. So in this rectangle, we're going to start from the very top, draw a straight line coming down, do the same thing on the right. Let's go in and fill the eyebrow in black. Now we're going to move down and draw the corners of the mouth on the sides of the nose. So we step down, draw straight, and we're just going to pull this back in towards the side of the nose. Let's move down and draw on the chin. From these two corners, we're going to extend a line coming down towards the bottom of the chin, and then we'll flatten it off with a straight line. Now let's go back up and draw another straight line going out. And again, we're going to line up with the corners of the mouth. And then we'll go straight up and leaving a gap towards the mouth. Now from here we want to go out towards the jaw. We want to extend past the side of the eye. So start on the left. We're going to go out to about there. Do the same thing on the right side. From the jaw we want to draw two straight lines going all the way up towards the top of the head. So start on the left. Go straight up. Right about there. Let's do the same thing on the right. I want to make sure that we line these up along the top. Now we're going to close off the top of the head with a straight line. Now we're going to add some shading along the side of the cheeks. Starting from the bottom corner of the eye, we're going to draw a straight line going out towards the side of the head. Do the same thing on the right. Now from that same corner, we're going to come straight down, all the way down towards the bottom of the head. Now that we completed the head, let's work our way down the body. From this point here, we're going to step in, draw a straight line coming down the side of the body. Do the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to close this off. From left to right, we're going to go across with a straight line. Let's draw on the tops of the shoulder. From the head, we're going to step down, draw a straight line going out to line up with the side of the head. Do the same thing over on the right. Now let's come down the side of the arms. Go straight down, do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to connect these 2 points with a straight line going across. From the corners of the elbow, I want to draw two straight angled lines coming down and in. Start on the left side, and then the right. And then again, we're going to close this off with a straight line. Let's draw on the lower part of the body. I want to line up with the side of the body along the top, come down underneath the arm. We'll continue that straight line coming down towards the bottom of the feet. Do the same thing on the right. We're going to line this up underneath the arm. Come straight down. Now we're just going to close this off with a straight line from left to right. Let's add in the bottom of the legs. From this corner, we're going to step in, draw a short line, coming down. Do the same thing over on the right. Now we're going to close this off with a straight line. I'm going to add the edge of the feet about halfway along this line. I'm just going to split this in half. Now we want to add a thick line along the top and the bottom of the body. So from the center, we're going to step over towards the left, a straight line coming down in behind the arms, and then we'll continue down along the bottom. Now let's go over to the right side. Draw another straight line going in behind the arms, and we'll continue on the right. Let's add a thinner line separating out the arms. So from here, we're going to step in, draw a straight line coming all the way down, and then from the right, come all the way down. Now we're going to finish off with a few random pixels. We're going to start on the left side. We're going to come in, go up, and then out, like drawing a small square. Let's add another one across the bottom. Going up, across, and then down. Go over to the right side. Come in, up, and out. Add another one up here. Come down, out, and then up. Let's add one more on the left side. Come in, down, and then out. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's our Minecraft villager. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.